Did you know you can lose yourself so completely that you forget who you were before you started performing? You dim your light around people who can't handle your brightness. You become smaller when they pull away. You change your opinions to match theirs. You learn to speak softer, laugh quieter, need less. You become a chameleon, shifting into whatever version gets you love. And one day you wake up and realize you don't know who you actually are anymore. You've been performing for so long that authenticity feels foreign, terrifying even. Because what if the real you is too much? What if your actual thoughts are too intense? What if your real needs scare them away? So you stay trapped in this prison of convenience, always one conversation away from being rejected for being yourself. But here's what they don't tell you. The people who need you to shrink aren't your people. And the version of you that everyone loves? She's not real. You can't build genuine connection on a foundation of performance. If you're ready to stop shapeshifting and start being seen, this page is for you.